Welcome to another video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like comment. Thank you. Let's move on to our video. Water is essential for our daily routine and offers numerous benefits that contribute to overall health and well-being. Here are 10 benefits of incorporating an adequate water intake into your daily routine. Hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for bodily functions as water helps maintain the balance of bodily fluids, regulate temperature, and support digestion. Cognitive function. Proper hydration supports brain function, improving concentration, alertness, and mental clarity. Energy levels. Drinking enough water helps maintain energy levels by supporting the transport of nutrients and oxygen to cells, which in turn enhances physical performance. Digestion. Water aids in digestion by facilitating the breakdown of food and the absorption of nutrients. It can also help prevent constipation by keeping stool soft and promoting regular bowel movements. Detoxification. Water is essential for the body's natural detoxification processes, as it helps flush out waste products and toxins through urine and sweat. Joint health. Staying hydrated can contribute to joint health by lubricating joints and preventing issues like joint pain and stiffness. Skin health. Proper hydration keeps the skin moisturized and can improve its appearance, reducing the likelihood of dryness, flakiness, and promoting a healthy glow. Weight management. Drinking water before meals can help control appetite and support weight management by creating a feeling of fullness, which may lead to consuming fewer calories. Temperature regulation. Water helps regulate body temperature, especially during physical activity or exposure to hot environments, by allowing for efficient cooling through sweat. Kidney function. Adequate water intake is important for kidney function, as it helps the kidneys filter waste and excess substances from the blood to be excreted as urine. Remember that individual water needs can vary based on factors such as age, sex, activity level, and climate. It's generally recommended to aim for about 8 glasses, approximately 2 liters, of water per day, but some individuals may require more or less. Listening to your body's signals of thirst and maintaining a consistent intake throughout the day is key to experiencing these benefits. Thank you for watching this video, and to watch such informative videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon button so that the notification of upcoming videos can reach you.